I have a dark circles under my eyes.
I have some red marks on my cheeks.
I want my concealer to really even out my skin tone.
I want my concealer to cover some spots.
Not all concealers are the same. Based on your skin type, your concern, or finish preference, NARS has a concealer for every situation. To brighten under eyes and to conceal dark circles, Radiant Creamy Concealer is perfect. It brightens and illuminates without looking cakey.
My skin looks much brighter and my under eye circles gone.
Elizabeth has a little bit of redness and some texture on her skin, so the perfect concealer for her is going to be Soft Matte Complete Concealer. This concealer is great for texture because it gives more coverage. Something that's raised on the skin or texture, you don't want to put something that's too shiny or too radiant on it because it's just going to bring attention to it.
It really toned down the redness, but it's still super light and definitely looks like my natural skin, just a little bit better.
Right, so because this has the soft matte finish, it's going to detract from any of the textures and anything we don't want to see. So to even out skin tone and to really brighten the under eye area, you want to use Radiant Creamy Concealer. It doesn't settle in defined lines, it gives a beautiful hydrated look to the skin, and it completely evens out skin tone on the face and under the eye.
I feel like I look a lot brighter.
See, you look dimensional, you look bright.
Yeah, definitely see a difference.
Good. So Madeline's concerns are small dark spots on the skin. So the best concealer to use is Soft Matte Complete Concealer because it gives a really skin-like matte finish and it's not going to bring attention to any of the spots. It has a little bit more coverage, so it's going to lay perfectly on those areas and it's going to last all day.
My blemishes are gone and I love it.